Good evening, trick-or-treaters. We are so terribly excited for you to join us tonight as we celebrate the thrills and chills of this season. Be sure to keep your eyes open, for you never know what may happen on Halloween.
Is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween!
Wonderful to have you here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? There you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better give that treat that's good to eat if you want to be nicery. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Some of us, if you smart, you'll find me something sweet. You very sweet, sweet.
Oh, Mickey, I just love trick-or-treating. All the costumes.
And the candy!
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun.
It's scary!
Scary? Well, maybe more not so scary, Donald. Let's go!
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. I like this.
Zero wants us to follow him into that house.
Oh, I know, pals. That house doesn't look very inviting. Stop shaking.
I'm not shaking.
Well, if that's not you, then who is it?
They were beautiful.
You said
This place isn't so spooky after all. Yikes! What's happening?
Now it's getting scary.
What have we here? You're in our world now, and it took his turn to boogie.
Hey, we kiss, we schmooze, we carry on, we go home happy. What do you say?
It's time Ursula took this party into her own tentacles.
follow that dog. Come on!
Look, there's the way out.
We made it!
Thanks, Zero.
That was fun.
The best Halloween ever! Come on, gang! Let's go! Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Trick or treat for Halloween!
What a perfect Halloween tale, filled with playful tricks and frightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
Dearest trick-or-treaters, we thank you for joining us for Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular. As you carry on with your evening, we hope you continue to experience the playful tricks and frightful treats of Halloween. Please enjoy the rest of your night at Mickey's Not-So-Scary Halloween Party.